Well, it's really only been maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at that, if that. And we got quite a bit done here. This is going to be the most tricky part, but it honestly wasn't as tricky as we thought. We just had to get every piece of pipe in the garage out and see if it fit. And 14 of them didn't, but those last 2 did. So we got some really nice welds here on this X pipe. I didn't do that, but those are my welds. But we got V-bands in here, tack welded. This is tack welded. This is not welded at all. It's slipping. We just got it there. We'll weld it up. We're gonna put some V-bands here so we can pull this out. But yeah, it's in there. It's pretty true. I mean, we got our nice spacer here. It's nice and true and straight and spaced equally. And we got this bend right here, pretty far away from the rear end. I mean, probably about as far as it's going to be able to be away from it. But this piece is tacked on here, and it'll honestly be up a little more. So we're bringing the driver's side is going to exit technically on the passenger side, somewhere in this area. Passenger side is going to go over here technically to the driver's side to give it equal length. So hopefully it sounds more like a car instead of a truck, because you can't really do that with this fuel tank in here. So we kind of got to get a little tricky with it. It's not like we can run it straight back like they do on the cars. But yeah, we're gonna probably work on getting this fully welded from here, and then we'll do the tailpipes after everything's on. We'll honestly probably put a couple hangers on it too until we do the tailpipes. So yep, stay tuned, watch the next music scene. Well, I don't think you could ask for much cleaner than that. I mean, the only thing that could be cleaner, like I say always, is the welds, but that'll get there with time. But we made this turn out pretty good, I think, with the equal length situation. This is going to be the passenger side of the engine, ran over here, driver side over here, and that should take up the length. Should, in all honesty, be the same. So we're gonna set it down on the ground. We're gonna see how it sounds. We're pretty happy with how it came out. It's shooting about the same angle both ways when doing a big smoky burnout. Should blow smoke right out the side. So yeah, it's probably gonna drone a little bit being it is inside the bed, but this truck's so low, if you put it out here, it'd probably look retarded. So, but yeah, we're gonna set it on the ground, start up, see how it sounds.